Kingdom. Kingdom. Kingdom.
So you clicked on this video because you want to know how you could be more comfortable in wearing a crop top, and baby, I got the answers for you. So welcome to my channel. My name is TheKyannaAlexandra. On this channel I do lifestyle, plus size content, and a little bit of LGBTQ here and there. As you can tell by today's title, today I am giving y'all 4 different ways you can put on a crop top and still be comfortable without feeling uncomfortable or weird when you have on a crop top. I know a lot of the times as curvier, thicker ladies, we do have things that we are insecure about, but baby, the whole purpose is that we are going to grow out of that. And when we grow out of that, it is to grow into the person that we want to be when we wear the clothes that we want to wear in the body that we have. Okay, so without further ado, this is the crop top I'm going to be using for this video, which is this blue crop, well, it's like a dark blue crop top that we got going on. But let's hop right into the video because I don't want to ramble too much longer. So as you can tell, that the first tip that I have for you guys, when you look at it, it is to wear a high-waisted skirt or to wear a high-waisted pair of pants, jeans, shorts, whatever you got. Make sure it is high-waisted to the max, something that really covers your belly button. But you know, of course, the crop top is going to be short enough that you're going to have your belly out. But the purpose of wearing a high-waisted pair of bottoms, skirt, jeans, shorts, whatever, is so we can minimize the amount of stomach that is showing, but also us being in a crop top without having to compromise our feeling of comfortability when we have on this crop top. Now, when I started wearing crop tops, I was scared as hell because, again, I was just coming into my villain era, or they want to call it. You know what I mean? Just coming into the phase of not allowing society to dictate what I wear based on my body size, you know? And because of that, I always knew I wanted to be a crop top, half shirt type of girl with the belly button dangling. That's the vision I always had for myself, even when I was younger. So I was like, you know what? I am no longer letting society dictate how I feel about myself, or you know, how they should feel about me, whatever the case may be. If I want to go in a crop top, I'm gonna be in a crop top. So with that being said, put on something high-waisted and have your crop top showing. That way you have a little bit of stomach out. And the whole purpose of this is to make sure that we get ourselves comfortable in items that we typically might feel uncomfortable with, and slowly but surely wearing the item in the way we deem ourselves to wear the item. So this is tip number 1, to wear a high-waisted bottom. All right, so the second tip that I have for you guys when it comes to being more comfortable in a crop top is wearing a shirt over the crop top. Now with this trick right here, what it does is minimizes the amount of skin that is being shown all around your body, only leaving the front sliver to be shown, right? So if you combine this tip with tip number 1, you are really leaving minimal room, minimum space for your stomach to be shown. However, this is about being comfortable, okay? So you, of course, you can adjust how much or how little skin you want to show when it comes to maybe wearing something high-waisted or wearing the shirt. But the purpose of the shirt is to also hide the back and the sides of your stomach, so only that the front is being shown. This way, like I said, minimizes the amount of skin that shows and also maximizes your comfort level. This is also another trick that I did and still do when it comes to wearing crop tops. There's some crop tops that I really don't like the way it makes my back look, the back fat. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I'm really talking about the back fat. So like when I have a crop top that I really love in the front but hate in the back, baby, I'm gonna throw on a shirt or something over it so that it unifies and mixes with the outfit, but also doesn't alert people as to what I am doing when it comes to wearing this crop top. Because baby, people won't look at you anyway because you got a crop top on. You know what I'm saying? But you have it on for style and comfort, and not just comfort. And that's the purpose that we're trying to get here. We're not just trying to throw something on just to throw something on because we're uncomfortable trying to be comfortable. We also want to look good and feel good, but also make sure we're comfortable in the state of uncomfortability, you know? So get that little shirt or whatever you want to put on, throw it over your crop top, and make it look good. All right, so the third tip that I have for you guys when it comes to bringing tan and being comfortable in a crop top is to wear a jacket over the crop top. Now it's very similar to the shirt, okay? Like, don't get it twisted, it is similar to the shirt. It's the same idea, either put a jacket on, a shirt on, whatever the case may be. However, with a jacket, what I've come to notice with a jacket is that a jacket is very structured, right? A shirt is very loose flowing, so like if the wind blows with the shirt, you may catch a little midriff, side, whatever. With a jacket, it's none of that. It's the jacket or bust, that's it. You know, so you can literally have this jacket on for the whole night and you'll be good to go. Literally will not move. Your sides and your back are totally covered. And again, you can either wear a cropped jacket if you want and it will still cover the sides and your back, or you can wear a longer jacket if you want and it will really like flare you out, smooth you out, you know, kind of take away from the fact that you have on a crop top, but also accentuating the fact that you have on a crop top because the jacket is so long. Now this jacket that I have right here is one of my cropped leather pleather jackets that I have, and again it still does the same effect, hides the sides, hide the back. It's not doing too much, but it's doing just enough to bring out any outfit that I decide to pair it with. And listen, this jacket has not failed me yet, neither have my other ones. It does exactly what I wanted to do when I wanted to do it. And with a jacket, like, you can also do the tip that I gave you beforehand, which is to wear the shirt and then also wear a jacket and then take off the jacket if you so please, or you just keep the jacket on depending on the weather or not depending on the weather. You know, you wear what you want and just make that be a part of the outfit. Now I know a lot of times when we do have a jacket on, we tend to take it off because we might get too hot, XYZ. So just keep that in mind if you decide to do this tip. Alright you guys, and the last tip that I have for you guys is using a shirt and tucking it into your bra. Now what I mean by that is taking the bottom of your shirt and literally sticking it into your bra. Game changer. So you can put as much or as little of the bottom of your shirt into your bra that you want. Literally, this is a DIY hack. It is up to you as how much skin you want to show or how little bit of skin you want to show. But the purpose of this is that you are in control, right? And I love that when it comes to this little hack right here, you are in control. Don't mind this shirt. This is an old nasty work shirt that I decided to use. I mean, the shirt not dirty, but the place is dirty, okay? But it is an old shirt that I just decided to use for this, and the shirt is very, very long, and I decided to tuck it into my bra and just give you a little something. Now if I really wanted to tuck, the higher I tuck, the more stomach I show. But this shirt really didn't call for a high tuck, only because it is so long, and I think the higher that I would have tucked it in, it would have just looked weird on my chest line, and I was like, I didn't want to do that, right? So because of that, I kept it like a little low tuck, just so that my stomach can show a little bit, but not too much for this video. But again, the purpose of this DIY hack is that you are in control and you can literally style a shirt any way you want to and feel comfortable any way you want to. But the whole purpose of this is that you get comfortable in wearing crop tops, okay? Because that's the whole purpose of life. If you want to be a crop top baddie, of course you can just put on the crop top, but we want you to be comfortable, babes, like big comfortable. So this is our starter's guide to wearing crop tops. And that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys will take away some of these tips and tricks that I used when I was first trying to wear crop tops, because honestly, I knew I was a crop top baddie, okay? I knew that I was gonna be one of the girls showing my skin all the time, especially moving to LA. Oh yeah, my skin is out every single day, okay? But like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment in the comment section down below. Let me know what you liked about the video. Go ahead and subscribe if you're not subscribed to the family already, because we're growing, baby. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on all my social medias at TheKyannaAlexandra. Follow me on Twitter at TheKyannaAlex. And with that, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.